In this video I will solve problem 2 in which there is a mass attached to a spring and it is given that mass is equal to 0.25 kg, K1 is equal to 684 Newton per meter, K2 is equal to 125 Newton per meter. In part A it is required that for how D2 in meter will the second spring compress when the box runs into it. That is, we need to solve for D2. Applying the law of conservation of energy, that is PE1 is equal to PE2. As we know that PE1 is equal to 1 over 2 K1 D1 square is equal to 1 over 2 K2 D2 square. Solving for D2 will becomes out square root of K1 over K2 into D1. Putting the value of K1 and K2, that is 684 for K1 and 125 for K2, 0.1 m for D1. D2 comes out to be equal to 0.234 meter. In part B we need to solve for velocity. As we know that according to law of conservation of energy, the potential energy will be transformed into kinetic energy. That is PE1, PE is equal to 1 over 2 KE, that is kinetic energy. 1 over 2 K1 D1 square is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. Rearranging this, v will comes out to be equal to K1 D1 square into divided by m. Putting the value of K1 D1 and m square m 0.25, this comes out to be equal to 5.848 meter per second. That is the required value of v. Now in part C it is required that the expression for the law of conservation of energy where exists a frictional force between the box and surface, this will be equal to PE1 is equal to PE2 plus mu k mg h into x. Rearranging this, 1 over 2 K1 D1 square is equal to 1 over 2 K2 D2 square plus mk mg hx. Rearranging this, D2 will comes out to be equal to K1 D1 square minus 2 mk mg h into x divided by K2. Now putting the value of K1 D1 minus 2 multiply by 0.525 and 9.81 and 1 for x divided by K2, which is equal to 125. This comes out to be equal to 0.729 meter. Thank you.